Namaskaram. So in this video we are going to learn how we can migrate a WordPress website from X to Y domain. It can be for any region. Before moving ahead, let us discuss why someone require website migration when using WordPress. So there can be any region. Maybe your website have been having any SEO issue and your SEO specialist suggest you to change the website address. That can be one reason. Second, it can be a rebranding, like you were having a abc.com domain and now you want to shift to another domain, so that can be another reason. Third one, it can be like for any region, like your developer have designed the website and he want to now migrate it to the actual website where it has to be. So what happens is maybe your developer have created the website in local computer or some temporary subdomain or temporary subfolder, and he want to now move it to the live website. So for this I have two WordPress panels with me. So first of all I will log into the source panel of WordPress website, from where I need to copy the website. So this is the source panel. Here I will go to plugin, add new plugin, and we are going to utilize WPVivid Backup Plugin for this. So now here is the plugin. I will just install this plugin there onto the source website where we want to back up the data to migrate to the new website. So now I'm activating this plugin. Now whenever you just do it, you will go to you will see this option and then can go to backup and restore. Now no settings required, just click on backup now button, and it may take somewhere a couple of seconds or a few minutes depending on your website size, and the backup would be done. So now we are waiting for the task to complete, and you can see WPVivid backup is so fast, almost 85% is done in few seconds. So now the backup is done. Once the backup is done, you need to scroll down. You see the today's date. You can click and download. In certain cases, if your site is large, it can create multiple parts and you need to download all the parts. In my case, the size of the website is less, so it is only one file. I will download the file now to my downloads folder, and we can see it's started downloading, and once the download is done, then I will start to restore it to the panel. So in the meantime the download is running, we can go to the second panel and then we can log in to the website. So what I have done, I have installed a fresh WordPress on this website where I want to restore my backup. So here also we need to install the same plugin. We go to the plugin, we go to the add new plugin. Please note, before doing this step on the destination website where you want to restore, when you restore the WPVivid backup, it will not only restore everything, it will overwrite anything you have on the existing website. So always take your backup before restoring anything. So if anything is important, you need to take the backup first. So now and another or one thing maybe I forget, so I want to mention, once the restore is done, your existing password for the destination website would not work. After the restore is done, you need to use the same password of the backup website for the WordPress, and you can reset it to whatever you want. But I'm just saying that if you have a different password on destination website, target website, then after the restore, everything would be like source. So you need to use the source website admin panel password after the restore is done. So I'm searching for the same plugin here. We can see my download is done and we can just install it. So now we are installing it. Then we just activate it. Once we have activated, now we can see the same option, backup and restore. But this time, instead of backup now, because we want to restore, we will go to the upload, we will select the file, and we'll just select the same file which we just downloaded. And now we will hit the upload button. Upload may be a little bit slower depending on your speed, your server speed, and other variables. But generally, every internet speed have a faster download than upload. So you need to wait for a while for the upload to complete. I'm pausing the video. We'll come back shortly. Okay, so we are back, and as we can see, the file has been uploaded. So I will now start with the restore. Restore once more. Okay. And now it may take somewhere 1 to 3 minutes, and one by one it will restore all the plugins which we have on the source website, which we backed up, and it will restore all the data, files, folders, in everything. So finally we will just see the actual website completely as it is, which was working on previous domain or previous location. Benefit of this plugin is all the URL structure are updated. You don't need to do anything manually. So whatever the settings you had with the whatever the URL previously you have, all the URL structure, all the internal links, yeah, everything is 100% completely done. At least in my case, I have seen it hundreds of times. I have done such restore and migration, and it worked fantastic. So it's almost completed. As we can see, speed is very good, 93% completed so far. It's showing us all the data so that we can see it's moving perfectly fine now. Okay, so the restore is completed successfully. Now we can visit the website, and when we visit the website, we actually see the finalized website with every settings, everything perfectly done. And now when we go the next time to the admin panel of the WordPress, we need to use the username password of the source website. So now you need to use the same user password which you had previously on the previous website from where you created the backup. I hope this video helps you, and please subscribe and like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications about new videos as soon as I upload for your information. Thank you very much for watching us at Webji.Education, and I will make sure to upload more good videos. Thank you.